guys, and welcome to my first cleaning video and motivation video. Today I'm going to be going over my nighttime cleaning routine. This is just what I do when I usually get home from work. I usually get home around, it depends on the day, but around 4:30 or 5:30. And the first thing I do is take the trash out. I live in an apartment building, so the trash gets taken out 5 nights a week and it has to be set out at a certain time. So that's just what I do really quickly. And then I usually start a load of laundry. As you guys can see, it's a pretty small washer, a pretty outdated one, so I can't fit a ton in there. So what I try and do is get a load done, at least one load each day, to kind of keep up with it since I can't do big loads. And so I throw everything in the washer before I start really getting any cleaning done, so I can get it at least in the dryer before I go to bed, so it doesn't just sit in the washer all night. Next, I like to vacuum the rug in our living room. As you can see, it's actually kind of hard to see on camera. There's a lot of cat fur. We do have cats that live with us. Majority of the time, they also live with my mom. So the cat litter and the cat fur needs to be vacuumed. I use my Dyson V7 animal vacuum, and I put it on max because it seems to do really well on the carpet when I have it on max. And I just do a quick vacuum every night because the fur just is always there, so I want to make sure that it's all vacuumed up and ready to get all messed up for the next day. Now moving into the kitchen, I like to clean out my cat's wet food dish about every other night because it just gets really gross. So I'm doing the few dishes that I actually have to do, and then I will actually fill up their cat food and make sure they don't starve, because I think that would be pretty bad. So I just want to make sure they have enough food for the night till the next morning. And I want to use this time to quickly introduce myself. My name is Alyssa and I am 22 years old. I live in this 2-bedroom apartment with my brother, and I just do the majority of the cleaning just because I'm so picky about it. So he gets away with not doing much, which is fine. I'm a full-time nanny, and I also have a part-time job at a skating rink because I love to skate. I do not have any children of my own. That won't be for, a good while. So that's why I don't have a ton of mess to clean up. If you guys are wondering why my house is already clean, or my apartment, that's why. I will be uploading cleaning and organization videos at least once a week. So I hope you guys stick around and subscribe. And if you like this video, please hit that like button. I like to turn on my wax warmer in this lilac blossom scent. I have a lot of scents, but this is the first one I'm trying, and I really enjoy it. And guys, that's going to bring us to the end of the video. I'm just going to give you guys a quick overview of what I clean and how it looks. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any video requests, questions, anything that you guys would like to share with me, please do in the comments below. And I look forward to seeing you guys next time. Have a good night. Bye.